Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Game Diaz the Vista COC gaming chassis. So friend, Game Diaz has announced the Vista COC gaming chassis featuring a panoramic view with a pillarless design and patented GameMax COC technology. The GameMax Vista COC gaming chassis comes with 5 pre-installed 120 ARGB fans along with the C.O.C cooling fan provide a total of 6 cooling fans offering sufficient cooling to support high-end configuration, and the modernized top I/O panel comes with USB Type-C port, Type A USB 3.0, USB 2.0 port, and 3.5 audio combo port, and power switch and LED switch. So friend, the pillar design provide an unbusted view of interior, perfect for enthusiasts who love the display there. Prices gaming PC build aside from the ARGB fans, and the Vista COC also comes with side-mounted ARGB strip and the GameMax Vista OC COD available in black and white model, and the GameMax Cooling Over-Clocking, a pre-installed cooling fan at back side of the motherboard designed to improve heat distribution of the motherboard. Crucial component from the back side with C.O.C enable the CPU, PCH, and VRM temperature are significantly lower to allow user to achieve higher overclock and more stable system. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.